What's up guys, this is Cornelius Robinson. Today I want to show you how to fork a part with Flux. This is an easier way to create a part without having to start from scratch. So I'm just going to create a new project. Alright, now here's our project. Now I want to create a resistor, so I'm just going to search for a generic resistor here on the left. Okay, I've got a few options, but what I really want is a 603 resistor. Now at the bottom you can tell that this part has a simulation model, a footprint, and a 3D model. So that's perfect. We're just going to click on the title. Okay, and here is our part. Now at the moment, I'm not able to edit this part. What we can do though is we can fork this part by going up to the top here. And this will create a copy of the project for us, of the part for us. All right, now the first thing we want to do is change the name up here at the top. Now what I'm going to be creating is a 43.2 k ohm resistor. Alright, now over here we want to make sure we publish this as a part, otherwise it will remain a project. Okay, now we'll just add a description right here. Here's our part. So I'm just going to take this and put it as our description. Okay, now you can see we can actually change the properties right here on the right hand side. So we'll put in our resistance 43.2 K and the manufactured part number. Let's get that real quick. And this is a Panasonic. And if you click on it, it comes up with a list. And we'll scroll down. There's Panasonic. Datasheet URL, let's get that. I have that open right here. We'll just grab that URL, put it here. Okay, now we've filled out all of the properties that we can here. However, I want to add a few more. So I'm going to add the tolerance. I'm also going to add a purchase URL. There it is. Power rating. And we'll add one more thing, we'll add a package. Okay, now that we're done adding that, we'll click done. And then we can add in the rest of those properties. This is a 1% tolerance. The purchase URL will get pricing and availability information. Power, this is 1/10 watt. And the package is no 603. Okay, and that's all the properties that we need for this part. If we take a look at the assets, you'll notice we have a symbol, a footprint, and a 3D model. Now because we have all that, we're not going to add it. Now we're going to take a look at the code. Now this code is what makes a simulation work. Now we're going to change the resistance because this is not a 500 ohm resistor. This is a 43.2 K ohm resistor, or 43,200. We're just going to change a few instances here. This is all we need for this part. Now let's take a look at the PCB. Okay, as you can see, we have reference designator as well as the value, and this is our footprint here. This information will populate once we import the part into a project. We can also take a look at the 3D model while we're at it. And this is what it looks like. Alright guys, I hope that helps. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.